Hello and welcome to my craft room. My name is Deanna Gonzalez and I am starting to try a new thing. As you know, I love to create with so many things. If you have spent any time watching my videos, you know that I love to stamp, I like to die cut, I like to do things digitally. I love to just create new things and try different things to see what I can come up with. So I've been spending some time creating my own digital papers, some clip arts, and putting them together. I like to design and throw things together into cards, and so something I thought I might give a try is making actual digital cards that you could download. You get the JPEG and then you cut them all out and create these beautiful cards. There's a few bonuses to this in my viewpoint. First of all, I wanted to figure out a way I could do gift giveaways without it being a drawing and only one person gets something. I always want to give all of you, everything. I hate that I can only give, a big thing to one person. But in investing time to create things, then I can give something to everyone. So during the during like special holidays, or different things I want to do, I'm going to be offering you free card downloads from time to time. And so as it goes on, there will be like the little, with the little tabs, not tabs up on the top, but like the different words. One will say freebies. So anytime you want to see, well, what's new, what is she offering that's free, you can click on that. However, I'm not showing you any of the freebies today. There's actually an anniversary of Deanna's Craft Room will be coming up, and I've created a card that I'll be giving away to all of you for that special occasion. But these, I'm actually opening up an Etsy store. Actually, I'd opened up an Etsy store years ago, I think in 2009, and that was when I was doing mostly beading, and I was going to sell my jewelry on the site, but that didn't really work out for me, so I stopped. But the store is still there, and I changed the name of it to Deanna's Craft Room .etsy.com. That way it'd be kind of easy to figure, Deanna's Craft Room, okay, and then there's her website. So I'm considering these Deanna's Craft Room printables. So I did create the papers for these, the clip arts, and put them together. Let me show you. First off, I want to show you how these come. So every single one will come with showing you the card here, so that you know how to assemble it, what things go. Then you're going to have all your digital pieces. Now I'm always going to leave one of the sentiment spots empty, so that you can choose the happy birthday, or if you want, you can stamp your own sentiment, so it can be very versatile. Then I'm going to have the plain card. Now I made it so it's pretty easy to cut out. You can use your cutter to cut these, and then just trace. Just this one part will be difficult. The ones with the straight edges, obviously all the cutter can do that. I was trying to go for things that would be a little bit easier, so it wouldn't be too tedious. Now I wanted to leave this blank so that if you wanted, you could just make anything else out of this. You'll just have a very fancy designed card where it's got the paper here, and you fold it, it's all white, so you can write as much as you want. I do have right here, it says designed by Deanna's Craft Room .etsy.com, and then handcrafted by, and then you sign. Since I see this as it's teamwork, right? I'm creating this on the computer, but you're the one that has to print it up and cut all the pieces out. So it's teamwork, right? We're doing this as a team, is how I see it. So every single one of these cards you see will come like this. Another thing I wanted to show you, for instance, with the happy birthday one here, right? As you see, I've got the example here. So what did I do? I created another card, so that I didn't waste any of it, and then I have an additional size here, and just put that together, just adding little pearl dots, liquid pearls, and you can put any embellishments, put a little bit of bow here, add some ribbon, and you're going to be able to have basically two cards in one, right? One smaller, one bigger, so I thought I'd show you that. So here's, I'll show you the first card here. This is my happy birthday one. And again, there's going to be a blank spot here. So if you wanted to put happy anniversary or for your wedding, you know, anything you want to put in here, you can stamp it. And then we've got this beautiful frame with the cake and the flowers. And I just added little pearls here and just a little bit of the pool party twine. And look at how much this stands out. Just popped it up, put some puff tape here to puff it up, and it looks really fancy. And then again, and I just signed it and put that there. So there's that one. And then I wanted to do a different kind of happy birthday. We've got something more fancy. The paper was a lot of fun to play with to create. I used my stripe paper and then added like just taking these pieces and going back and forth and making this design on top of it. And so we've got the scroll here and then happy birthday and the present. And Carl's actually designed this present for me on the computer. And then I just, I have it so that it'll print the bow and the entire present. So you can decide if you want to go through the trouble of cutting out this bow and raising it to make it look like this, or you can go ahead and just leave it as is and just put fun designs there. So I thought that was fun. And then for a little more romantic one, I've got a beautiful little bride here in a silhouette, and then just some fun shapes and some textures. And I really liked this paper. I thought it was very elegant. So there's that. And then just for a more like just a thank you, and you know, I wanted to make it seem, you know, like more, it could go for boys or girls, you know. So I just did that and thought that was fun. And again, you know, with the striped paper, you can go ahead and do anything you want in there, like just have the card and stamp your own fancy things in it. It can, you know, be multi-purposed. And here is the fancy happy birthday, which again you can see here. And I layered the two here, and I just added the minuscule, adorable little dot crystal embellishments that come from close to my heart, and I thought that looked really cute and really kind of added a lot to it. I did want to say, now, for a lot of times, crafters want to know, you know, well, is this commercial friendly? Like, can I just sell all this stuff? There's, you know, of course there's a yes and there's a no. So yes, I have no problem with you printing up as many of these as you want and assembling them and then selling them. I do ask that you leave the logo here so that, you know, they will see that I made it here, and then you sign it because you're the one that created it. And you can sell as many of those as you would like. If you want to get it together with friends, I would encourage you to just print up as many as you want for your friends and share it and just have a great time with that. But you know, it would make me very uncomfortable if you're printing them up and selling them, or if you took the digital form, the digital, the JPEGs of any of these and tried to sell those. I just don't feel like that's right. So, but yes, any of the printed and assembled items I don't mind, and then with friends I don't mind if you print it and, you know, and share those. You know, I wouldn't feel comfortable if you were giving them the JPEG again so they can print up whatever they want. I would ask that you would direct them to my Etsy store because, you know, it just seems better that way. But there will be plenty of free ones on my site over time. I'm really excited about some of the ones that I plan on designing for that as well. So, you know, if you don't want to actually purchase any of these, no problem. Just wait for the freebies. But I did want to offer a way to share my designs with you as well as with others on the Etsy stores, and you know, see how that goes. Yeah, I don't have a lot right now. Right now I've got 5. I don't really know, you know, I'm thinking about maybe selling some of the digital paper sets as well, and you know, maybe eventually doing just the clip arts too. But I really like the idea of doing a card so that everything's done for you. You don't have to figure out what should go together if you don't want to, and then you can add, you know, one of the first things I started doing when I started getting discouraged with my stamping, and you know, I didn't have a lot of ideas. There were sites where you could buy digital cards and then you print them and you assemble them, and they would look so fancy and beautiful, and they, you know, would look better than something that you bought at the store. But the thing with it was, a lot of them were so intricate and so hard and time consuming that I kind of got like, oh my goodness, this is hard. Plus it wasn't my own design, so I really wanted to do some other stuff. But that's why I made these, so that first of all, you know, you can do your own design with the paper and everything that I've created here for you, and, you know, or the clip art pieces, you know, do your own thing with them and have some fun. But I tried to make it so there's minimal amounts of cutting, of severe cutting. So with here, you know, you can use your cutter to cut these and then just snip the insides. This one, however, is a little tedious, but it's just one tedious piece. Whereas, you know, before I used to have like, oh my goodness, tons and tons and tons of pieces. So anyway, I hope you like this idea. I hope you're excited about the fact that I'm sort of branching out and doing more things. I will constantly still be stamping, you know, crafting with everything I have here and showing you new ideas of things that I'm excited about. But from time to time I probably will show you some of the things that I've got new on my store, just to give you an idea, let you see what I'm doing. So I hope you like this, and if not, don't worry about it. You know, you don't have to go into the digital realm at all. Leave the computer alone and just get your inks and stamps and have some fun. But I do hope that you will continue to craft with me and have some fun with me, because that's what we're here for, right? So thank you for joining me and checking out, you know, what's going on with my Etsy store and, you know, this new adventure that I'm going to try. You know, I'm a little nervous about it, but, you know, nervous and excited, you know, to see what happens. But anyway, so thank you for joining me, and please come back and have a great day. Thank you and goodbye.